Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video. In this tutorial, I'm about to show you how to clear Spotify recent played on your device. So I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Before getting started, make sure to update your Spotify application to the latest version. And in case if you haven't updated, then all you have to do is head towards your Play Store, and on the search box you'll have to type in Spotify, and on the other page if you have update button, then simply tap on the update, and instead of update if you have open, which means that the application is up to date. So then let us get started. So previously there was a feature to clear recent played on Spotify, but now the Spotify has updated the feature and it is no longer available on Spotify. So to clear a recent played on Spotify, there are some alternative method which you can give it a try. So then the first method to clear a recent played on Spotify is to create a secondary account on Spotify. So then creating a new Spotify account might be some time consuming, and whenever you want to listen to your previous playlist, then all you can do is you can switch to the another account, or you can switch to your previous account. Now that was one of the method on how you can fix your recent played issue on your Spotify. Now the another method is to simply open up your Spotify application. So this method is for those who share Spotify account. Now in case you're sharing Spotify account with some other family member or your friends and you want to clear the recent played on Spotify, so all you can do is tap on the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen. So after you tap on the gear icon, on the other page you will be directed to the settings page. So over here, scroll down and then look for socials. So after you find socials, then what you have to do is you'll have to enable private session, which means that you'll have to turn it on. So after you tap on it, the button will turn into green, which indicates that now you're enabled to listen a private session. So after you turn on private session, the other person, whoever is sharing your account, will no longer be able to see what you're listening or your recent played. Unfortunately, you'll not be able to clear your recent played on your device. So those were the few methods on how to clear a recent played on Spotify. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.